Do you like spending time at the park?
Do you know how to talk about outdoor activities in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation at the park.
Let's improve our English together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Today's lesson will help you learn useful English for talking at the park.
Hi, it's a beautiful day today.
Hi. Yes, the weather is perfect.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I usually come here on weekends.
What do you like to do here?
I enjoy walking and relaxing.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I like reading a book under the trees.
That sounds peaceful.
Look at the flowers, they're beautiful.
Yes, and the park is very clean.
I can hear the birds singing.
Me too. It's very relaxing.
There are many families here today.
Yes, the children are having fun.
Some people are riding bicycles.
And others are jogging.
I love this peaceful atmosphere.
So do I.
Do you exercise often?
Yes, I usually walk for 30 minutes every morning.
That's a healthy habit.
Thank you.
I want to exercise more.
You can start with a short walk every day.
That's a good idea.
Walking is simple and good for your health.
I think I'll start tomorrow.
Great, I'll cheer you on.
I'm getting a little hungry.
Me too.
I brought some sandwiches.
Really? I brought some fruit.
Perfect. Let's share.
Great idea.
Would you like an apple?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Everything tastes better outdoors.
I agree. I had a wonderful time today.
Me too. It was relaxing.
Let's come back next weekend.
I'd love to.
Maybe we can invite more friends.
That's a great idea.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. See you next weekend.
See you. Take care. Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for talking at the park.
Practice listening and speaking English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this lesson.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.